want that shit to blow up on dude. It was a cut. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, shit. Fuck. Damn. Fuck.
Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no shit, no more.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trill B Vlog. You know what I'm saying? Niggas downtown with it. Oh, he just threw that bitch. Threw that bitch. He threw that bitch. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey. He said, and I got that stick in the back there. Then he had everybody getting on there. He ain't talking about it.
Boom, bitch! Boom, weak. Hey, that shit was weak, gang.
That bitch didn't even go up.
You wasted your money on that bitch.
It didn't blow up.
That bitch not pop. I wasted your money on that bitch. I ain't gonna count.
No, don't grab it, nigga. Don't grab it, nigga, 'cause you don't know if it's still in.
But yo, I ain't gonna reach for that bitch to be big.
Hell yeah, this shit.
But yeah, we back here with a little vlog, you know what I'm saying? Downtown. Big Ford. Just chilling. Who gonna pop who?
She said she gonna be quick, but that far she gonna go back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she gonna get a nigga gun then, bro. I ain't gonna play with nobody kid.
Yeah, keep it on right now.
Dude threw it right in the crowd. Dude ain't
right in the motherfucking bush.
Yeah.
Didn't do nothing.
he showed then.
That nigga booty.
That nigga booty ass gonna go to jail. Nigga, but if y'all gonna throw it at the crowd, nigga, throw it at the crowd. Y'all
That's
nigga,
what I'm doing.
Y'all nigga not throwing that shit at the crowd, bro.
Hey, 12 down there. Nigga, do I like this bitch?
Well, you gonna like that bitch? That bitch gonna blow up in your hand. Fuck you talking about?
Hey, catch this.
Hey, catch this.
Hey, it's burnt. It's burnt.
Hey, he said catch this.
Why she start running?
Left when that bitch blew up.
Where that bitch is? It's burnt. It's burnt. It's burnt. That's burnt.
These niggas scary, yeah. Hey. We you gonna do it?
Right here. Fuck 12, we gonna run at this bitch. Hey, come on. Hold on.
Nigga, what he said, fuck 12.
Hey, record this shit.
This shit going on the vlog.
Hey, well, I gotta give me a video. Hold on, wait. Let me get my
She gonna
Snapchat
vlog.
camera out.
He said, what?
Hey, y'all know we
He said, what? Fuck 12.
These boys get. Oh shit!
Oh, shit. Nigga, where? What the fuck y'all talking about, nigga? Y'all nigga doing all that yelling and shit. Y'all doing all that yelling and shit. Where?
Hey, come on, we going down here. I gotta get closer.
Hey, no, fuck that. I know they ain't trying to start no war. Let me see that bitch. Throw that bitch right here. Right here.
Oh, you ain't bold.
Right here. What's up, brother? Come on.
You show for the bus.
Hey, he got his Roman cat. Watch bug shit.
Hey, hey, y'all better move. Move.
Hey, move out the way!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh
the. Hey, hand me that. Oh shit. Hey, on the hood, hand me that shit. Where the fuck Jeremiah at? But on me, that bitch on me hit me in my head. Oh God, that bitch on me. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh. Okay. Hey. Hey, you even throw that bitch? Nigga, I'ma took my head up.
Right here in the Smith.
No, who the fuck? Boy. Damn.
Wait, hold on. So what's up through there? Cut a little thing right there. Hey, the lady's right there.
Nigga.
Oh, wait, you standing in the back.
Nigga, I'ma took my ear off that bitch.
All right, bet. He down here. Hey, come on, let's walk towards. Hey.
Hey, nigga, I'ma took my ear off with that bitch. Oh God, he almost shot me in my shit.
I was like, he janky as fuck.
He said he tanky as fuck.
Shit. I told you, I was like, why he gonna light it behind? I said, hey, y'all watch this? Oh God. And as soon as I heard that shit right by my own, God I started running.
Boy, that bitch almost smacked my shit. On God, we finna get a nigga, bro. Boy, nigga almost killed the nigga. She taking nigga for our word. Hard on money. Nigga, we about to go to jail. Can't do that for our work on, bro. Hey, boy, it's hot as fuck. Hey, where the fuck Buddha and them go? Oh, there they go. Hell no.
Them.
On me, dude.
Oh, right there. They don't get the ball. Hey, let's go down there. Hey, let's go down there. Let's go down there.
Yeah, let's go down there, bro.
Oh, my mommy.
Finna get a nigga ass down here.
Hey, but he got the cat.
But I get to y'all when you know shit about to do this shit, bro. Gang. Oh yeah, we finna. Oh yeah. Huh, I got a light for y'all niggas. Y'all need that hoe.
Come on, man.
I record myself.
The lighter, everything. Damn, my shit's disabled.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah. Dang, shorty!
You're condoning a meeting. Let's go.
Come on now, Buddha. Free my nigga Buddha. Hey, she showed y'all the damn nigga.
Oh, hell no.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn! Right by dude, cuz I know he hurt. Hey, I know buddy hurt. Hey, these police mad as fuck. Oh God, I know they mad as fuck.
Well, I know the police mad as fuck.
Oh God, I know police. Damn. Go down this way.
Oh my shit.
Let's
Let's do this.
What you did? Nah, I'm finna throw it. I'm finna throw it down.
But you gotta watch it for the police officer right here.
I'm finna throw it down. No, not right here.
Not right here, yeah. Yo, ain't gonna go smooth again.
I'm finna see my videos though, bro. Alright.
Oh, they got undercover down this bit now. Yeah, here.
I got it. What you gotta go? Somebody go. Hey, I need to watch out. This right there.
Hey,
Hey, y'all going that way. Follow the motorcycles. Go.
I wanna. I thought niggas running. I bet niggas ain't bold.
Throw it over there on the other side. I got one.
Only one?
We can't even go back there. Nah, hell no. So what side? This side over there.
Oh, over there?
Well, man, this is out.
Hey, you ready? I'm finna like slam.
And no, they really ain't looking this way on, bro. I mean, just get on down like everybody else.
Man, look at them. They look at this way.
So what y'all throwing at?
You see what I'm talking about? They rush in.
Everybody leave. Alright. Hey, this nigga over here working at school. Damn.
We got some shots. What is that? But what is that though?
Hey, let me see your face.
I'm trying to see where the motor's holding.
They got everything possible.
Niggas actually did.
And my mama, they shut this shit down.
Yeah. They ain't playing with nobody ass in this home, God.
Go that way. Hey, go that way to the
Hey, come and stand behind him if y'all want to do this. Yeah, he got to overthrow that hoe.
You gotta wait till you hit the corner. Here. Wait for this.
Don't say
Hey, down there.
Oh, yeah, we're
Down there. Nobody done it.
They all put it down here.
I'm about to shake the spot.
we sure finna do this and have to get on there.
Oh, that's Undos right there. Watch that. Hey, watch that. Big
Yeah, I know.
I was about to say, watch the unmarked too. Yeah, sure got some ass.
Hey, somebody just stopped some real shit. I heard that.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
Hey, launch that bitch.
Hey, launch that bitch, bro. Throw that hoe that way.
I got you.
Hey.
Launch that bitch. Launch that bitch. Hey, you ready? Launch that. Launch that.
Get on down. Get on down.
But my shit just died. But that shit did not blow. I want that shit to blow up on dude there. It was a cut.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, shit. Fuck. Damn. Fuck. Hey, yo. It wasn't me, don't bother. Hey, oh, God, it wasn't me. Ah, yeah. It wasn't me, don't even try to pull me over on the guys.
I'm like, shit.
Hey, oh God, that shit was loud as fuck on brother. Hey, I know niggas got moved.
Hey, I know niggas do.
I know niggas got moved. Oh, they gonna throw one right here. I bet niggas won't.
I bet niggas will.
I bet niggas gonna throw one right here. I bet niggas gonna throw one right here.
You said Z.
Hey. Oh shit. Nigga. Oh yeah, police own that shit. Oh god. Niggas police own that shit. Yeah, nigga, they not playing what I am. Hey, they been lit there, oh god. Hey, they better start taking niggas to jail. They is not gonna play with the niggas. Hey, we do not care about that shit. Hey, on the hood, we finna have to throw that bitch. I almost dropped my damn phone. That bitch almost hit me in my head. It wasn't me. Don't come to me, I'm brother. It wasn't that though. Alright. We ain't do it though. Back your ass up. Hello. It's on film. We don't got better than it to chill out. Hey, we walking though. Do that so they hit up with the car. Look at him. Buddy mad. Everybody tripping on that motorcycle.
We back down here.
I said we gonna be back, eh? You think you can push us out this hole? Hey, these niggas tripping. He talking about hey, chill for y'all ass go to jail, nigga. Y'all ass gonna go straight that way. He said it been fucking. Niggas ain't hit niggas with the police bike. Nigga, you wild. Damn, he making niggas walk all the way down here. Hey, it's all funny game till we hit a circle on his ass.
We're gonna hit a circle. We're gonna hit a circle on dude ass.
Oh god, nigga, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, but he gonna hit your ass. He gonna hit the fuck at your dumb ass. Niggas taking a mile, bro. Wait, you better shut the fuck up. You talking about some come on. You don't see me walking, nigga. Nigga talking about some hurry up. I'll move at my own pace. Niggas gonna be mad as hell. fuck think I'ma run though? That's the last thing I'm doing, running. I barely run when them niggas behind me. Nigga gotta walk in all the way down, man. Oh, Markham.
How they ass fly?
Had they ass flying. Damn, Popo. Oh God, nigga about to hit niggas off the bike. He's so mad, but it's hot as fuck. I ain't gon' front. Nigga need to front. I'm finna buy some gloves. Hey, the police tripping. We should've. We really should've went that way.
These niggas playing. Y'all better stop.
Hey, we finna go that way. So we not finna walk all the way down there.
Hey, but we can't be just walking around though. I ain't gonna fake it, nigga. We not from here on God. Y'all lying.
Y'all not.
I am if I walk around strange ass place. Look, I'm sweating in my eyes. Where the fuck did Quay go?
I better say where Buddha and them go. No, hell no, we gotta find Buddha.
Hey, next time a cop run over me, trying to do that shit, boy, I might gotta be like this. Next time I move, though.
We going back.
Big ass show gonna move.
I ain't gonna lie, we do gotta find a group. I gotta go find my brother.
I gotta find my little brother.
He down there.
Like right here somewhere.
Yeah.
Alright.
Damn. We done got separated from the green.
Yeah, you hear me, man? It's all bad, man.
It's all bad news.
But they tripping.
You gotta fuck 'em.
You hear me?
Nigga, that's my that's my motherfucking thumbnail. What I just did? Oh God, nigga. My
Alright. Yeah, stop them, Jackson. Y'all finna cross.
Nah, she said we couldn't cross. Y'all said call him.
I listen. What the fuck?
He walking right here.
Now I don't know where he is.
Hey, just tell me when he come up, y'all can.
That's the thing. He not from down here.
Hey,
so
bro, where you at?
he don't know where the fuck he going.
Hey, we on Markham Street, nigga.
Markham.
500.
Markham.
We on the Markham, nigga.
It's Markham. Hey, that nigga shit smoking
Hey,
like
look,
a
you know where
motherfucker.
the police telling everybody to walk?
He need to get that
He
shit
walking all the way
fixed.
up here straight. We in the four-way crossway. All right, bet, late.
Hey, boy, this shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna have to hit y'all when we get up with the group on, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? Little, you know what I'm saying? Little vlog, something. Y'all stay tuned. Man,
Oh,
go
God,
check brothers
nigga.
out, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Man.
We still outside gonna be recording. We gonna show y'all some videos.
Got
Y'all better
to.
stop playing. It
We
ain't no
not
inside.
inside. If shit ain't shit finna go down, nigga, you know we gotta get that.
It ain't no inside shit.
Got
I'm just missing the blunt, the 3.5, nigga. I'm just missing the 3.5.
I mean, what she said, put a 3.5 in the blood. We got to.
Hey, the next time.
Hey, bro, that nigga was about to hit a nigga off the butt. Oh, God.
I'll be rude.
Hell nah.
She said across the street.
Alexa, it's great. Well, like silver.
Yeah, I give that to y'all. Gang. What you said?
Excuse me, why I can't see a smile on your face?
I've been smiling.
What's going on? Like, you feel me? We just trying to have a good little time out here.
Hey, what he said? Listen, spit your shit, brother.
You feel me? I'm just, you know what I'm saying, speaking my mind. I'm thinking like, bro, you only live once, right?
Man,
you
know it's a food truck or something down here.
Hey, it's a food truck, something on me, bro. We finna go get to eat.
McDonald's down there.
No. McDonald's. That's
the broke nigga shit. That's the broke nigga shit. I gotta get that to my daughter every day.
He said I gotta get.
The $5 meal. Hey.
Hey, that truck mad hard, bro. Hey, these police officers do not know what the fuck going on for real. I'm trying to go back down there, throw some more shit. I'm trying to throw some more shit. I ain't gonna front.
Hey, bro, my shit ain't even blow up. That's
Hey,
so trifling.
I was trying to hit a nigga with one of them bitches.
I was too. Hey, didn't y'all see me waiting? He was like, throw it. I was waiting for it a little bit. I'm like, that bitch ain't blow the fuck up.
I ain't gonna lie. Bro, nigga trying to take my ear off in that bitch.
Nigga, that was right beside you. Hey,
What?
right beside us. I'm talking about kids. Drill, what drill?
Nigga, I just happened to look over, nigga. All I see was, nigga,
Bro,
I'm like,
nigga, I look back, all I see one coming smooth for me. That bitch
oh God, hit
You
the
hear me?
bush
He get
and
the
shit,
crackling
nigga.
and shit on my mama.
Once that bitch hit the bush, it exploded. All I seen was lights in the
Lights
corner
in
of
my
my
eye.
What?
eye.
I ain't gonna lie. I think I got that on film. I was too damn scared. I was ducking and diving
They
and
threw
shit.
that bitch right there by the cars and shit.
Hey,
nigga.
when I tell you,
I
oh,
had
God.
no time to. Bro, I had
What?
no
Whole
place.
fit
Nigga, I had
soaked.
to get low by the car, nigga. Oh God.
Nigga, all that running and shit. I came down here to get Instapit.
He said Instapid.
On my mama. And then the cop tried to run me over. They lucky I ain't dropped that bitch right beside that.
Bro, I wish that one would have blew up right beside that bike, nigga. He would have been fucked.
You hear me?
Oh,
Would have been
God.
fucked. Would have been fucked.
I'd have been live my ass.
That nigga Buddha, no, damn.
That nigga Buddha, them niggas got
Them
to be
niggas
down
must
there.
have ran to the other downtown.
They must wear deeper. They must
Them
went
niggas in
deeper.
there deep. Niggas got me running in 12s and shit. They still look clean.
What?
Nigga, look how far Quay is from us.
Hey, y'all ain't going home till about like 9 in the morning.
Look, Grandma.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know he like 5 blocks away from us.
He that way?
I'm talking about nigga that way to that.
Alright, you too, you know what I'm saying? Nigga phoned nigga posted that motherfucking McDonald's, but shit got
How
hit.
the fuck my other one ain't popped?
I ain't gonna lie, nigga, that shit was bogus. Yeah. Nigga just bull, Nigga getting jumped in, tan and some other shit.
Nigga, mama's face is getting stomped in the ground and shit. It's all bad.
I'm talking
about nigga. It was straight belt to ass.
Oh boy. Nigga almost got nigga almost got popped about 15 hours.
The fuck up.
Nigga be nice and all that.
Bro, I ain't gonna fake it, bro. Nigga doing that shit, that's like saying, bro, like, nigga, your sibling or something, bro. Like, so you gotta hop in for your sibling.
Yeah, gas OD.
Like, that shit is crazy. I seen that nigga doing that. It made me want to just, like, help. Like, damn. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know the women, you know we can't, you know what I'm saying, bro? Hey, they throwing another one. Hey, y'all. Hey, don't make me throw my shit. Hey,
Yeah.
if I get hit,
Some nigga running for. I mean, niggas gotta be scared. Hey, ain't shit really going down here, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, niggas, I'm really finna end the video. I'm finna really see what's going on, then pick up the video, you know what I'm saying, some shit. But if shit ain't going on, I'll just hit y'all in the intro, you know what I'm saying, on game, you know what I'm saying? For right now, I catch y'all till when I pick up the camera, you know what I'm saying, on game.
Alright, YouTube, I ain't gonna lie, it is the next day, but last night was dope, but was older turn, ain't come on. Man, I ain't gonna lie, everybody is asleep, so I am whispering a little bit, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Share to see how close with family member. Tap into the next video, you know what I'm saying? That big up be turned. All that being said, I'm not leaving too long.